this North Ogden landmark will be gone to make way for a road extension. It was built by Scott and Lucinda Campbell, whose family has lived on this land since 1901. Back then, 80% of North Ogden was orchards, and the Campbells had a big one. And fruit packing sheds like this one were a major part of business. Generations of North Ogdenites have fond memories of summers here sorting cherries, peaches, and apricots. And during World War II, German and Italian POWs were brought here from the nearby Ogden Defense Depot to work. The Germans are remembered as hard workers, and the Italians as beautiful singers. Over the years, North Ogden has shifted away from farming. Almost all of the orchards have disappeared. And although this icon of the city's past will no longer stand here, the good news is the Campbells are moving it rather than allow it to be destroyed, and we love that.